The Earth and sustainability face many urgent challenges today, including climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation. Finding practical, real-world solutions to these challenges is no longer optional. It is a global necessity. Education plays a key role in preparing the next generation to understand these challenges, take responsibility, and act with purpose. Unfortunately, in many curricula, the education of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, remains theoretical and unstructured. It often does not rely on inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, or STEM education, limiting students' ability to apply their knowledge in real-life situations. As a result, students have limited opportunities to apply sustainability concepts to real-world problems or develop practical problem-solving skills. For this reason, there is a strong need for an educational system that enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills and transforms knowledge of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, into real-world action in an organized, logical, and meaningful way. From this need, the idea of the SDG Challenge Hub was born. It is an interactive digital educational platform that transforms the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, into real-world STEM challenges through inquiry-based learning and project-based learning. The platform uses the 5E Instructional Model to guide students step by step, engaging them in exploration, explanation, elaboration, and evaluation until they develop meaningful and practical solutions to each challenge. Such an approach empowers students not only to understand sustainability, but also to apply it through investigation, innovation, and solution-based learning. What makes this platform unique? It is not just a content platform, it is a practical, application-based learning platform, integrates SDGs with STEM education, uses the 5E Instructional Model, step-by-step provides clear instructions, learning objectives, guiding questions, and educational values. Supports structured assessment and meaningful feedback. One platform that combines learning, application, and evaluation. How it works. Teacher dashboard. After the teacher logs into the platform, they are directed to the teacher interface of the SDG Challenge Hub. The teacher interface is designed to be clear, well-organized, and user-friendly, enabling teachers to efficiently manage inquiry-based learning and monitor student progress in SDG-linked STEM challenges. The main dashboard provides a comprehensive overview and includes 3 core sections. 1. Manage students used to create, organize, and monitor student accounts and class groups. 2. Manage tasks used to design and assign SDG-based challenges structured according to the 5E Instructional Model. 3. Evaluate. Used to assess student work using clear rubrics and provide constructive feedback. 1. Manage students. This section allows the teacher to create and manage student accounts, add new students, and assign them to specific grade levels. Monitor student status, active/inactive. View student information such as username, grade, and account creation date. Edit or delete student accounts when needed. Use search and filtering tools to quickly access student data. This section helps teachers organize digital classrooms and ensures that students are fully prepared to participate in SDG-based STEM challenges. 2. Manage tasks. This section enables the teacher to create and publish educational challenges linked to the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, structured tasks according to the stages of the 5E Instructional Model, organize tasks by week or instructional unit. Clearly define task instructions and learning objectives for each stage. Connect tasks to authentic, real-world STEM challenges. This section supports teachers in planning inquiry-based learning in an organized, coherent, and meaningful way. Evaluate. This section represents the core of the assessment process in the platform. It allows the teacher to review student work submitted through the platform, assess student performance using clear and transparent rubrics, provide constructive and personalized feedback to each student, track student progress and improvement across challenges, support continuous learning through formative assessment. This section transforms assessment into a learning tool rather than simply a measure of performance. Student dashboard. The student dashboard gives learners a clear view of their SDG challenges, progress, and tasks. Students can track what is not started, in progress, or completed, move step by step through the 5E learning stages, and manage their work independently while receiving guidance and feedback, a space that empowers students to own their learning and solve real-world challenges. The student is at the center, selects a Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, completes challenges through the 5E learning stages, works independently or collaboratively, submits work, and improves it based on feedback. The student becomes an active learner, critical thinker, and solution creator. Samples of student work on the SDG Challenge Hub. These selected examples of student work show how the students use the SDG Challenge Hub to turn what we learned into real solutions. The samples reflect students' ability to apply STEM knowledge, inquiry-based learning, and the 5E instructional model to solve real-world challenges related to the Sustainable Development Goals. The displayed work demonstrates critical and creative thinking, problem-solving and innovation, application of learning to real-life sustainability issues. These samples highlight how students move from understanding concepts to developing practical solutions. Impact and results. What did we achieve? Increased student motivation, improved critical thinking skills, higher classroom engagement, real implementation in an authentic learning environment. The platform is a successful learning experience, not just an idea. Be a change maker, learn, innovate, solve a real-world problem. Your journey starts here. What will you gain? By joining the SDG Challenge Hub, you will 1. Develop critical thinking skills. 2. Build real STEM skills. 3. Work on real SDG problems. 4. Collaborate and communicate. 5. Prepare for the future. Welcome to the SDG Challenge Hub, a new way to learn, a smart way to explore, a platform built for students who are looking for STEM education, inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, and the 5E instructional model, all of these in one place.